Discover how easy it is to link RhinoArtisan with Connect. From the RhinoArtisan website, navigate to Connect, where you'll find detailed information on how to centralize and share your 3D designs, collaborate with your team, and enhance your customer interactions. If you don't have a Connect account yet, simply click Create Your Free Account. Fill in the form with your details and continue, or sign up instantly using your Google account. Once inside Connect, you'll have access to Showcase, Canvas, and Loom. But if you want to link your Connect account with RhinoArtisan, just go to the top right corner and open User Profile. In this panel, click Add to create a new Connect key. Give your key a name as a reference, then click Accept. Your key will be saved automatically and copied to your clipboard for easy use. Now, open RhinoArtisan, go to Settings, and on the left side, open the Artisan tab. Inside, you'll find Integrations. Click on it. Then simply paste your Connect API key into the field. Since the key was automatically copied, just select the space, press Ctrl+V, or right-click, and choose Paste. Click OK to confirm. RhinoArtisan will notify you to restart the program to apply the changes. So just close it and reopen. And that's it. You'll now see your Connect profile appear at the top right corner. Perfectly linked. Now comes the exciting part. Open your model in RhinoArtisan and open the Loom panel, located under the File tab. With one click, add your model's image to Loom. Then simply describe what you want. For example, render this panther in 18 rose gold with diamonds, featuring green eyes. Add a dark background and make it a hyper-realistic render. Send your prompt to Loom and watch the magic happen. Your perfect render, ready to showcase.